Okay, welcome back to part 2 of the video. In this we need to do the player settings for exporting the game. So what are player settings? We already did in the build settings. Make sure that you guys on the WebGL, and before you click build and run, you can go for player settings. So in the player settings it will give you lots of option. Okay, first one is what is your company if you are running, what is a product name, what is the name of the game, if you are giving any update or is the first version, if you have any default icon. If you leave this empty, your Unity icon will be there, and we can go for these options. Okay, now default company, I can say VITGDUD, both the companies. Product name, what is our game name? Trucker Mania, right? Trucker Mania. Version, I don't worry about. Default cursor, which is mouse cursor. If you want any new one, you can download and you can select this, and icon as well. Now if you see here, there are 3 options given here, but this is selected. This is correct because you are doing the player settings for WebGL. This is Android settings and this is PC Mac settings. Don't touch this, don't touch this, because we are dealing with this, and that is why Unity is clever and it's selected this. First one is icon, not applicable for this platform because we are not installing the game. Cool. Resolution and presentation, there are 2 things. One is default, the other one is minimal. If you say minimal, your Unity logo and your project name will not come here. Okay, but we are going to go for a different internet company called simmer.io, so it does not matter what we choose. These settings do not change. Why? Because I already have a camera that is selected. 4:3 is the one which I am working on, so I don't want to change that. Splash image, this is the splash image that you see. What is called a splash image? Click on preview button, then you will see how your game will start when somebody start to play the game. Click preview. So first Unity logo comes, then your game starts. If you don't want it, you can change the style, dark on light. Can you see now it's a different way, but I personally like this. Animation, if you want the Unity logo come towards you slowly, you can go for dolly, or static, so this time the Unity logo will not move. It's your choice. Then draw mode, Unity logo below. Now list is empty for the logos. We do have a logo, right? Let's go ahead and choose our logo. Select, where is our logo? Here. I selected my logo. Okay, now preview. Ooh la la, Unity comes, but the thing is the draw mode is Unity logo below. If you change it to all sequential, can you see now? Now first Unity logo will show, then your logo will show. Let's check. This is how it will fast. Trucker Mania, cool. Okay, I like it. So background opacity, if you want the opacity reduced, okay, it's no changes because you don't have a background image. Okay, background color is dark, and I really like it because I have given an outline for my logo. Okay, so if you need a background image, you can select a background image, for example a sky. Let's check how it looks. See, I don't personally like it, so if I don't blur my background image, you know how it will look like. Nice, this I like. Okay, cool, man. Okay, now what else? Overlay opacity, if you reduce the opacity, your sky will be, you know, less transparent. Okay, this I really like. Then what is other settings? Now this is what splash image. Other settings, you know what, my kind request is, please do not change anything in here. Okay, please do not change anything because it's too much C++ compiler configuration, how your computer will calculate the game, whether the memory is low or high, optimize. Guys, too much computer science inside here. Unless you become, you know, moderate game developer, you will never do this optimization. Most of these are optimization techniques which is not much needed for a 2D game. So please do not change anything under other settings. Publishing settings, here also you don't need to change anything because Unity will take care of everything. So in player settings, these things you can change. The logo if you want, especially the resolution and presentation, you can choose whether minimal or default. And for splash image, you can have lots of fun, but do not change anything in the other settings. Once you are finished, close. Now we are ready to publish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click build and run. It will ask me where to build. I'm gonna go for a new folder, Trucker Mania, because I have a name now. Select folder. Now I need to sit and relax until my Unity you know, built my game. Okay, so I think I can pause the video until the building is finished, but please remember I selected build and run. So what will happen now is once it is finished, my game will automatically open in my web browser, which I can, you know, look at. Okay, so I'm going to pause my video for now. Okay, can you see my game is done? Oh, there is a sorting layer problem. I did not notice that. Okay, you guys please check, okay, whether you have any sorting issues. I have a sorting layer issue. I did not check before I built, but let's not worry about it. Now let me check. I know I have a camera issue as well because my resolution is large. Okay, and another problem, this happens because my monitor is really big. Okay, it's 39 inches, and most of the times I have this problem with the Unity, especially in 2019 version. I don't have this problem in Unity 2018 version, but let's not worry about it. Okay, so now it looks okay. It works cool. Okay, now what I need to do is I will close my browser. Okay, now I can upload. Now how can you upload is you need to go for your browser and go for a website called, okay, simmer.io, www.simmer.io. This is free, but there are several other websites which is available. Okay, you need to create a login password. Okay, you can create a login and password. I'll just select, go to simmer.io. Can you see a place for Unity developers to share WebGL games? Can you see I already logged in? Okay, so I can straight away, once you create username and password, okay, can you see what you can do is you can upload a game. How to upload is select this button. Once you log in, you can select this button. It says create a WebGL build, drag and build folder here. Well, how it works is you need to go to your build folder, show in Explorer. This is your folder, Trucker Mania, right? You need to drag the whole folder, not inside like this. No, I'm talking about this whole folder. This one folder you need to drag and drop into the website. It's very easy, guys, and I love the website. Go here, go to this Trucker Mania, right? Grab the whole folder, put it here. It's uploading and it's pretty fast. Whoa, it's finished. So it's processing. Wait for a while. It says ooh la la. See, Oops, select here, click here, and you can play. Amazing, man. Okay, now I can able to play the game. So you give the project name as whatever you want, okay, and you can give this URL, okay, simmer.suren try game or trucker mania or whatever, trucker mania. Oops, only lowercase. Okay, trucker mania T. Project name. Oh, it takes it by its, come on, man. Trucker mania. Make your game enlist with a private URL. If you don't want to share it with anybody else, just make it private. Okay, and you just say save upload, and it's saving your upload, and there you go. So if you want to share this to somebody else, for example, for your assignment, imagine this is your assignment, and if you want to submit it to me, give this URL to me. Okay, and anybody in this world who have this link can play your game. They don't need a username and password for this website to play your game. How cool is that? Okay, see, Suren Trucker Mania, you can have able to play a lot. Okay, so this website is really amazing, simmer.io. So I want all of you guys to create a username and password and have an amazing time using it. Okay, the free account will allow you to have up to 3 games. Okay, after that you need to pay money. I don't think you need that. Okay, you are going to submit only one assignment, and you are going to submit your exam files also in the same website. So please, all of you guys, create a username and password. Okay, and we will see. Okay, so I think this is cool. Okay, what else? So this is how you can export a game, and we have seen enough player settings, and there are several websites like this, and this is how you can share a game with the friends. Okay, so I hope you guys liked today's class, and I know there is a lot of things to do in today's class, so please use all the time that you have in your class. Please finish it. Okay, so complete whatever you could do with the game first. Okay, I know this game is not a complete game. In the future classes we will do more amazing games. Okay, but this game is needed for you guys to check all the other things. Luckily you actually learned a new code today on Collision Enter 2D. You know about tags, you know, capture the coins, whatever. Okay, so I want all of you guys to have fun, so please complete. You don't have to, by the way guys, you don't have to send me this assignment. No, this is not the right assignment. Okay, I will give a special video about what is your actual assignment is in the future class. I will give you 1 week time to do that, so don't worry about it. Okay, and yeah, pretty much that's it. There is no assignment again. That there will not be any assignment in my classes. Okay, please be very clear. There will be only one huge assignment that has 50 marks. Okay, I will tell you in the next class. Until then, please create a nice game with whatever you know, then do all these things. Try to create a username and password in the simmer.io. Do not forget your username and password. Try to share this game with your friends and see how things goes. Okay, all right guys. Okay, so bye now, and I will come up with some other amazing thing in my next class, and I will see you when I see you. I wish you, all of you guys, a very happy weekend. Okay, take care, bye bye. This is here.